Hey guys, it's me, Asia. Okay, so we're going to be doing a set on these Kiara Sky Jelly tips. So I kind of got like a mixed review from you guys. I don't know, we just need to get our creative juices flowing on how we can do these nails. So I was like, let me try, and then hopefully that will inspire you guys to do it. And if you want to know how I put these on, just go check out my other video because I was not going to do that in this video. And I'm just like etching the surface, and then I'm gonna do 2 coats of white chalk. It's the brand, and no, it's the name of the D&D gel polish that I have. And just a sidebar note, I don't have that many gel polishes. I think I have like 5, and you know, seeing that everything is shut down, I can't go get any more. And I'm not, listen, I get a good deal where I'm at, so I'm not about to pay full price. So I'm just gonna have to work with what I have. So that's also something that you can do. Just work with what you got. Get creative. Go to get regular nail polish if you have to, and then get regular nail polish. And then if you have gel top coat, maybe put the gel top coat on it, and then I guess that's how you can finesse it. I don't know. Maybe I can do that in another video if you don't have that. Whatever. But this is just me putting on the layers of the white. I just do 2 layers. It's just gonna skip through real fast. Nothing too crazy. We all know how to polish some nails, okay? I hope so. Okay, so after I polish this nail, you're going to see me get the alcohol. And so I was on Instagram and I saw these nails and I was like, oh, okay, let me try it. And I think I'm going to use, what's that thing called? Alcohol to get their look. And you're going to see that this basically did not work. So it's just the white nail polish, the gel polish, and then me basically trying to do a marble effect with the blue or the teal color. And then it's just going to basically start, it was just like, it just looked like a line for me. Maybe like right here, it's like, oh, I guess whatever. But I was like, no, I can't do this. Like, no. And then after I started putting out the alcohol on, it just started taking away. So I was like, you know what, forget it. And just wipe the nail off and start all over. And I was just like, okay, let me actually put the builder gel on top of it that, you know, that comes with the kit that you would put underneath to like actually secure the nail. I put that on top, and then I did the teal, and so therefore it would help move the color a little bit more and disperse it. And if you have more gel polish, you can do way more looks. Like I said, I only have 5, and the colors were not really that complementary to each other. So I was just like, okay, whatever, I have to use this teal. But I just wanted to help you guys get your creative juices flowing. So it's like, if you have more colors, or like, you know, do a tie-dye effect, or if you're more like creative than I am with your hands or whatever, then you can do that on these nails or whatever. So that's what this was about. And I'm just showing you like different and just a sidebar note to the sidebar note, baby girl, I do not like that pointer nail. I don't. But I was just like, okay, whatever. So on the other 4 nails, it was kind of like basically the design flowed from one nail to another. I mean, you can do that. Some of them, like, I was also getting the idea of like, if I was dope like this, I would try to do like what is that? Oh, you know, like what is that thing called? Graffiti effect. So it's like, okay, picture this with me, okay? So like graffiti, like where the blue is, right? And then if you knew how to draw, or if you could like do lettering with your hands without a stencil, you could do that behind, where it can give like literally a graffiti effect, where it can give like a New York vibe, or like a gritty urban vibe, you know, whatever. Like literally just think of some creative stuff that you can do with these stuff. I'm not that creative. So it's like I'm doing the best that I can do. And then, you know, just add a couple of rhinestones to it. This is literally all I'm doing. Oh, and then this is the thing. So just take your brush with the polish on it, put a little bit of polish on it, wipe all the polish off, and then just move your brush back and forth inside of the gel, so therefore it kind of fades it and disperses it. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? That's it. So imagine if you had like a yellow, a green, like these neon yellow, green, orange. That would be a nice little look. Yeah, if I had it, I would do it, but I don't. So, you know, like I said, my grandma always told me, you gotta improvise, you gotta work with what you got. So girl, I'm telling you, work with what you got, and then put some rhinestones on it and make it look pretty. And that's literally all I did with this look. So girl, it's nothing to it. It's really nothing to it. I should have said this earlier, but I just want you to know, for each and every nail, I cured it so that it wouldn't move. And I just put builder gel on top of that nail, and then I just basically did another design. I had something in my mind that I wanted to do, but it was ugly, so I didn't put it in the video. And so I was just like, okay, let me just finish this off and just put some rhinestones. And with each nail, even with the rhinestones, I individually cured it. And make sure you, because I don't know if you can tell with the pinky, there's like a blob of builder gel, so make sure you kind of watch like how you position the finger and make sure nothing is running, so you won't get that on your pinky now. But that's really it to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to see something else, or if you have any more concerns, and if I can help you, I will. So just put it down there in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.